I'm Jude from Scala. Now I'm going to introduce our smallest liquid nitrogen generator, LNS10A. It's only 170 centimeters high. It's a real plug-and-play liquid nitrogen generator. We integrate air compressor, nitrogen gas generator, cryocooler, and a certified to attach inside the cabinet. Plug in one-phase electricity power, and it's ready for work. The system is controlled by PLC. All parameters have been well set before shipment and displayed on display on the screen. Press this on button and it starts running. And system also stand by when the dry tank is full. It's very quiet when it's running. The noise is lower than 60 decibels. Very suitable for laboratories. Liquid nitrogen dispensing is very easy. Liquid nitrogen will be dispensed automatically. Duration is also cyclical, and it stops automatically when time is up. You can dispense the liquid nitrogen whenever you want, and don't have to stop the machine or use pressure. Maintenance is very easy. While placing inside the machine is totally maintenance free, and you just need to replace the air compressor or the water chiller every 20,000 hours. All the other parts are modular unit for easy replacement, very convenient for overseas markets. The Wi-Fi and the 4G mode also enables us to remote diagnose and operation and monitor the system. If you want more information, contact us. Thank you.